Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Tesla Model X door from inside. Start by sitting comfortably and locating the small black interior handle at the door base. Grip the handle firmly, pull it directly toward you until you hear the latch release, then push the door outward with steady pressure. If power is out, pull the manual release fully and swing the door open slowly to avoid catching fabric or trim. In this video, I will explain how to open Tesla Model X door from inside. For Falcon wing doors, recline your seat a little to increase clearance and reduce pinch points. Reach for the interior handle and gently guide the door outward with one hand on the frame to steady the motion. Move slowly and watch for obstacles like low ceilings or roof racks, and always finish by checking that the door sensor confirms a secure position. In this video, I will review how to open Tesla Model X door from inside. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for keeping car manuals and emergency instructions handy while on the go, and its long battery life makes it ideal for trips. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe and like, check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with how to open Tesla Model X door from inside. If the car has lost power, find the plastic cover near the hinge and remove it to access the emergency pull ring. Pull that ring straight out to disengage the electronic latch, then push the door open while holding the frame to control momentum. Take care to keep fingers clear of hinges and resecure the cover when finished.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.